Most of us have suffered from sore throat, cold or cough at least once in a lifetime. Let us see what Ayurveda has to offer to heal this problem. Pour warm sesame oil into a bowl, add a little bit of salt and few drops of eucalyptus oil, peppermint oil or lemongrass oil. Mix it well. You may apply this mixture on your chest, neck, throat, upper back and the flanks. Put 1 to 2 pinches of salt into a glass of hot water. Gargle with it twice a day. This is best to recover from sore throat and cold. Now let's make a tea for sore throat, cold. Pour around 350 ml of water and add a handful of basil leaves, around 5 grams of cumin, two slices of ginger, 2 to 3 seeds of crushed pepper. Boil them well and reduce it into 1/3 of the quantity. Once it starts boiling, add palm sugar and mix it well. You may reduce this to 1/3, and herbal tea is very much effective in fever, cold, cough and sore throat. It is recommended to use this tea 3 to 4 times a day. If you don't have holy basil leaves, you can as well use the normal basil which is available in your country.